job. Good job. What does monkey say? How about elephant? Okay.
How about chicken?
Chicken.
Goo goo goo.
How does chicken say?
Goo 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 goo.
Huh? Okay. How about the tiger? How about panda?
Panda.
Panda. You like panda? You love panda? Yeah? You love panda?
Yeah.
How about monkey? What does monkey say?
That's right. Hey, what does gorilla do?
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
What does gorilla do, Ella?
Oh,
good.
That's the sign for gorilla. Gorilla.
Yeah.
It has lots of signs. This is bird.
How about bird?
The bird.
Oh,
Right,
bird.
Okay.
What does bird say?
What's a giraffe?
Giraffe?
Neck.
Neck. Like
Neck. Oh, neck. Oh, cool. Elephant.
What's the elephant do? Yeah. Yeah, in school it's like this, I think.
Do they do rhino? No. Hippo? You know hippo?
Purple.
Hippo. Oh.
They stopped doing signs. They stopped doing
Okay.
signs.